Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at this BMW 2002 from Solido at the 1/18 scale. This is a new release, and of course being a Solido, it's a metallic model that features opening doors and functional steering. Let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good. We have the grills here which are not perforated, but the chrome looks pretty good for a Solido model. Also we have the chrome on this part as this bumper as well. I think this is a US spec model. Also we have the BMW logo there, and I have to say I really love the paint scheme with the M colors here in the front and on the side. Also we have this splitter here which is huge. Next we have the wheels, again looking pretty good. We have the BMW logo in the center as well, and the turn signals go all the way to the side of the car. In the back everything again looks pretty good. We have the stop lights, we have the license plate, the BMW logo there as well, and the exhaust. Underneath the model, not that many details. We have the exhaust that goes all the way to the back. And let's open the doors to check the interior. There we go. Let me zoom in. The interior looks pretty good. It actually looks pretty good in black, I have to say, in contrast with the exterior. As you can see, everything looks okay. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it looks pretty good, and I think it's a must-have for the BMW collectors. Especially I think this model was made by IXO and has it's sealed, so Solido is cheaper and has functional doors. Tell me in the comments what do you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel.